Hey guys, Rich Ferguson here, and I think I'm in the mood to go for a hike and scare people. Come on, let's do it.
Paso, yeah.
You guys have a good hike.
Oh my God! Holy shit!
Have a great hike.
I'm not saying anything mean about you.
Where you get people like Keaton where they just eat all the food every day.
Watch your language!
No!
I'm the profanity police.
Oh my God, no. I'm sorry, but no. We're not doing this today. We're leaving. Come on.
Stay hydrated. Hydration's key to health. By the way, I'll see you in class. I know who you are. Excuse me, it's all the dust. Sorry, there's a lot of dust in the air. You guys, quit kicking up your feet, man. You're throwing a lot of dust.
Hey, if you put it on YouTube, tag me.
What's your name?
Ryan Self.
Hey, have a good climb, guys. Oh, have a good climb, dude. I love rock climbing, man. It's awesome.
My God. I did not. Don't go that way. We got this. Go that way.
Go that way? Okay.
Don't go this way. Watch out, someone's coming through here. Oh. All right, guys, make sure you smash that like button and let me know in the comments if you want to see me do a 2-person ghillie suit prank. Here's the idea. We have somebody be discovered on purpose, and now onlookers or victims go, oh, we saw you hiding there, and then, of course, the real prank happens. Comment down below. Let's do this, guys.
Subscribe to Rich Ferguson, or else.